Kahil State People Democratic Party Hspdp kalakentu ke Khuborjylla bahkan Pynbeit ke keren Pynbeit bat ke Assam sahaki Tylli ke Jaka ke bangsa ke bahap hakakalla ke baar. Habakren berkilat patai Khubor Presiden ke parti uba KP Pangnyang ulai thu baman kapor ki jubuddin na ke sarkar halor kani kapang bat kumta ki Kwah bakani ke keren pot kan longno ke bakham kloi kat bala.
Of the border or settlement of interstate border issue has been an issue of many years back. We cannot deny the fact, more than 40 years, almost 50 years. So the present government, we cannot ignore or deny the fact that they are doing its best to find ways and means to settle the long pending unsettled dispute in between the two states of Meghalaya and Assam. So during these few years back, 6 sectors, I would like to reiterate the fact that the government has tried with both willingness of state of the chief minister of Assam and Meghalaya. So now we are worried about the 6 sectors remaining, saying that they are need to be completed in the second phase. So as the party who is part and parcel in this MDA government, time and again we reiterate a stand, we inform the government, we demand the government of the day, let the second phase be immediately start its works to find solution so that we can complete the remaining 6 sectors to be yet to settle in the near future. So at the party, we never stop to move forward our demand and to remind the government and also to request the government to complete the remaining sectors of this long pending dispute in between the Assam and Meghalaya border.